Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and yet another episode of my Philippines tour. I hope you have been watching my Philippines journey which have been up on my channel. Please like, follow and subscribe. Good morning from Manila, the capital of Philippines. I went out one fine day from my hotel in BGC City, Metro Manila for a morning stroll. I think it must be 6 a.m. in the morning. I was amazed to see the wide roads absolutely spick and span. Even at the wee hours of the morning, there were people who were going for their offices. I decided to take a walk and hop on to the nearby park. It was about 5 minutes walk from my hotel. It was a bright and shining morning. The sun was right up there on my face and I could feel the morning vibes of Manila. It was so positive. Travel and wellness goes hand in hand for me. Whenever I am traveling for leisure, I make sure that I take care of my health, eat and drink sensibly, and also take care of my fitness. So, a morning walk is an essential part of my fitness regime. And I was lucky. I was lucky to see the park right up there just across the hotel. And in fact, I could see that so many of the Metro Manila residents were up there, young and old, who were keen to participate in the morning routine, who were keen to walk along with their own pets and also take care of their health. It has a nice walkway and pathway. There was someone who was constantly trimming the grasses to make it up to the mark. I took a walk along the pathway. This was a concrete pathway but surrounded by greenery all around. Look at the beautiful sun glistening through the trees. Isn't it magical? These are the things and sights that excite you, that inspire you when you are traveling. I joined the other Metro Manila residents for this morning walk and take care of my health and fitness. I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing, following my channel, and also go and watch the other videos of my Philippines tour up there on my channel. There is a Philippines tour playlist. You can watch all the Philippines video and the episodes periodically on the playlist. So after spending about 40 odd minutes in the Central Park, I decided to come back to my hotel and hit the gym for trying some fitness regime here. I did some dumbbells, some free hand exercises, and I was done for the day. Thank you so much for staying with me on this video. Hope you liked and enjoyed it. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel.